Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to show you an idea for something you can do to your field data to protect it. So let's say someone came into your Act database or came to a contact and overwrote something, deleted something, changed it. Well, what if they did the wrong thing and you had no way of correcting what they did because they made that change? There's a way to solve that issue, and let me show you what you do. So right here, I want you to observe the phone number. I have all eights for the phone number. I'm going to come here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get into the phone field, and when I get in here, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to circle away from it for a minute, but then I'm going to come back, and this time I'm just going to put in a bunch of ones. Let's put in some twos just to break it up a little bit. Now, let's say I come back here to this contact, and I realize that I made a mistake. I overwrote that. What I want you to observe is what happened here is that it took whatever change was made in that particular field, the phone field, and it recorded a history of the change. Now, just to get this going, I hit save up in the top right-hand corner. You don't necessarily have to do that. But if a change was made to this contact, what will happen is it will take and record it. So how do you make sure that happens? Well, I'm going to come over here to the left on the wrench. That is for the tools in Act. And I want to draw your attention to one of the design tools called Define Fields. I'm going to click on that and keep in mind that was the phone field that I was working on. So when I come into a field and look at that particular field, I want to show you the setting I put on this field. I clicked on phone. I'm going to click on Edit Field. And see this right here where it says Generate History? Track changes made to this field's value in history. Even if I had taken out that number and left it blank, it would have still recorded what it was. So if you think about your Act data and keeping it safe, you should go in my opinion, and this isn't turned on by default, but you should go in on every field that's important to you and mark it so the history is recorded. So how would you do that? I'm going to click cancel right here. Again, I got in here because I went into the tools area over here on the left. I clicked on define fields, and these are all your fields in Act. So when I'm inside here, I'm going to go down to any field I want. So let's just come here to the chocolate field, and I'm going to click on edit field, and I want you to see that generate history is checked. Let me go back. Let me see if I can find one that's not. Let's take address 3. Chances are that's not. I'm going to click on edit field. And you'll notice the generate history is not checked. So all you have to do is click on it, and now you'll have a history generated. So what does that mean? If the field address 3, some addresses have 3 parts to it, but in this particular field, if someone changes it or deletes it out entirely, there'll be a record of it. So if your data is important to you, you should go into Act and go into every single field you want to make sure of and go in and make sure the generate history is selected. So again, just to illustrate that again, you pick the field you want, address 3, you click on edit field, and when you get in here, make sure to select that. And all you have to do at this point is click finish, and now that field will generate a history if someone changes it. That's it. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you very much.